Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Azmin. I am 22 years old and I stay in Melaka. I work as an artist in the Art House Gallery. What I do is I create an artwork that contain special meaning to audience, and my work inspired by nature, culture, religious and something that people does have never seen. At Art House Melaka, you will be given the best service, great treatment, and thank you for supporting us and nice to know you. This is the 22nd of self-introduction that I have learned in the Art House Gallery, and this is something new for me and it's used when I met people or give a speech. People will notice my simple background and they want to listen from their heart. Today, I and Alia want to present our 3 months of industrial training activity in the Art House Melaka. First of all, I would like to tell you about the company. Artist House Gallery, located in 88 Jalan Hang Kasturi, Melaka City, also known as Artist House Melaka. This company is a new company that is not fully open for the tourists and customer. Basically, this company for Mr. Alan Photography Masterpiece, and we are the first student internship that he took as the in this industrial training. This company is a business partner from Ms. Elaine, which is the founder of Elegance Image and Ethic Consultancy based in Melaka, and partner with Mr. Alan, who is the international wedding photographer. Hence, the result of this finally became the Artist House Gallery. This gallery is a platform for every art gallery, commercial design, photography, and art ethic. The major task that we have today is the first, photography and editing. What we learn is the photography field, street photography, and also the editing to the post on the social media. Second is, we have to make a merchandise product and sample product. We have to present our product sample idea, the design of the product, the price range, and the illustration of the packaging of our sample product. And the third is, we have to make an artwork from the picture that we took. Also, we have to make the souvenir to sell to the tourists that can buy into our Art House Gallery. Once gone through, street photography is one of the most challenging, but at the same time, one of the most rewarding genre of the photography fields. Documenting people in their daily environments is not easy, and it takes patience, hard work, and sometimes courage to be able to approach and take picture of the stranger. It depends on the luck. However, the result is clearly very beautiful, and that is the mission of the Art House Melaka itself, to showcase something that has not yet been seen by the surrounding of society, especially something that is disappearing by the current of the modernity. During the rain that day, filming could not be carried out, so our supervisor taught us how to shoot object using focusing technique by using the camera. The first learning was about the focal length. Focusing the distance is defined as the distance between the focal point in the focal plane, and the center point of the lens when the focus of the focus loop is focused to the infinity. The focus techniques means an area that is clearly visible when the lens is focused on an object. When the lens is focused on a subject, the area that will be clearly visible and focusing process will determine the focus of the subject automatically. We also go to learn landscape photography, which is we go to the beach near the Melaka, and also Coney Islands and the Nelayan village to see the Malay culture right there. Then we capture the moment by using the camera. What I learned is the shutter setting to get smooth effect of the wave. So as you can see, the wave are so smooth. This is the special windows to expose to film to light according to a certain period of the time. Shutter speed is how long the camera is open and exposed to the light to record an image. If it in low light conditions, it will take long for the camera to collect of light to get a good picture. Then We also asked to take picture of the Malaysian flag around the busy city of the Melaka to be posted on the social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and others. Then, the image are edited using Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom software. Here are our work. We also produce sample product, merchandise, and also presentation of the idea. My idea mostly target to tourists, which is the travel set, such as cultural set, travel kit, souvenir, and so on. From the product sample idea, we have to make survey on the price, on the costing, and more research on that product to get a good quality and low of the cost. Next, we have to make a packaging design on the product, the ideation of sketches, and logo product based on the chosen sample product. This is the logo for the packaging, and our that inspired by Peranakan Baba and Nyonya. What I create this art by using gouache medium and play with a attractive color. This is the final sketch of the logo task. The logo are used into upcoming product when next year festival, which is the Mooncake Festival and Mid-Autumn Festival. The logo inspired by Peranakan Baba and Nyonya culture with typography, which is the number of the 88. The right one is the logo that I have chosen from our supervisor, and I'm happy as an artist my artwork used as a packaging product. Hopefully people will like it. Next is the growth puppetry. From the original photo, the background is messy, so I reduced the background and just focus on the character and his actions. The emotion found on this work is the sweaty character played at a glove puppetry show. Behind the fatigue, there was a joy, cheerfulness, and wonderful memories throughout the making of the show. The camera angle in this work is a shoot from a high angle, and the color mode is monochrome black and white color because the artist want to tell his feelings at the same time, where the feelings are very sad because the culture of this show is not getting response by the younger generation now, and also this industry will disappear soon. Behind the bright light of the lamp, there is also sadness. That is what the artist want to convey in his painting. The artist used a minimal and the same color monochrome black and white color to describe the gloomy and sad atmosphere. This is because this Tiangong lantern manufacturing industry is increasingly forgotten. Variety of objects around the main subject is highlighted to convey the meaning of perseverance and seriousness. Therefore, the artist hope that the message has conveyed can open the eyes of the society not to forget this legacy, so as not to be forgot forever. During the training period, what I had learned during study is totally different with what I had actually done in the working place. I had a real experience in industrial working condition, which developed and improved my functional as well as soft skills in several aspects. The skills include photography skills, interpersonal skills, and attitudes. I learned a lot of photography skills, such as learn to setting the camera, prepare the equipment to capture the events, learn to communicate with people. Also the shoot of the product, objects, or the scenes, landscape, photography, and so on. The next, I able to interact with other people, such as a colleague, customer, also my supervisor, and now I know how to communicate and deal with other people in a nice and polite way. Last but not least, is the attitude on and the behavior while working. It represents the perceptions of us. If we think good and we do good things, the perception of the people will be good. Lastly, this is my picture with my supervisor while we had the small birthday party of Sir Alan and Alia birthday, which is my internship partner. Of the Artist House Gallery at island, Kone Island. Thank you for lending your ears, and thank you.